Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Byte Kenneth. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking on how to place a trade on a stop loss. So this is the USD chart, and then we are going to place a sell trade. I'm going to place a sell trade. So we double click on the chart, and then you click on trade. And when clicking on trade, you click on sell. After clicking on sell, you come to your trade, and when you come to your trade, you observe that you sold at 1.08457. Now when you are selling, it means that the market is going to go down. So let's say you want to sell with 30 pips or 40 pips. So let's use 40 pips for instance. So you are going to take your profit at 50. Let's say 57 minus 40 pips. That will be 17. So we are going to take a profit of 40 pips and the loss of about 10 pips. So we click on the USD again and click on modify position. Your take profit is 40 pips. Let's go back to check. This is 1.08457. So 457 in modify position. $1.08457. So to get a 40 pips profit, you deduct it. So it's going to be 1.08417. And then we're having a loss of about 10 pips. So 457 plus 10 pips, that'll be 1.08467. And we'll modify. You understand? So you have your take profit on 1.08417 and your stop loss at 1.08467. So when you've done this, you've placed a trade with your take profit and your stop loss. So thank you. See you in your next class. So on the next video I'll post. Please do it to subscribe, follow my channel. I'll be dropping more videos on other things you need to know about forex and other strategies as well. See you next time.